Here's how to make your Steam profile public. Open Steam and log into your account. Click your name in the top right where it says Manage Account and select View My Profile. On your profile page, click the Edit Profile button on the right. On the left sidebar of the Edit screen, click Privacy Settings near the bottom. You will see your profile is set to Private by default. Click the drop-down next to My Profile and change it to Public. This makes your profile summary, friends list, badges, Steam level, showcases, comments, and group membership visible to everyone. You can also individually set your friends list, inventory, and game details, including your full games library, wish list, achievements, and playtime, to public by clicking each dropdown and changing them separately. Once you have configured each setting to your preference, the changes are saved automatically. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.